Good day everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to share only one simple trick. By this only, you will be able to make your computer, whether it's a laptop or desktop, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you will make your computer more secure and more safe, and by doing only one simple thing in your computer. Alright, so please make sure you watch the whole video, and if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do share with your loved ones and family friends. So here in the search icon, you need to search UAC, User Account Control. The moment you type it, you will find Change User Account Control Settings, which will be there in the control panel. And then you need to say yes. Once you do that, we need to click on this always notify. In your computer, this might be here or here, but select the top one. So no matter whenever you will do app, try to install software or make any changes to your computer, it will ask your permission to say yes. And I make changes to Windows settings. Any changes to the settings, it will ask you to say yes. All right. Once you do that, you just need to click on OK, and you will see a difference whenever you are making any changes to your computer. Even if you're trying to open like device manager, it will ask you to say yes, and then device manager will open for you. All right, so this is a good thing. You should do it if you want your computer more safer and secure. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.